My name is Braeden Adams. In setting out to make a film about my Vermont story, I knew without a doubt that my story would be the story of a sport, a game, and a calling. Baseball has defined me, and although Vermont may not have a national team, the sport represents the history and passion that my fellow Vermont sports enthusiasts share. There is nothing more American than baseball. For almost 100 years, it has represented struggle, growth, and passion. Baseball isn't just a game, it's a lifestyle. This field isn't just dirt and grass. It's where I practiced, made friends, and I've fought so hard to win games. I spent hours and hours on this field with my dad practicing to get better and better, not just for me, but for my school, my family, and my state. I would be lying if this journey hasn't been filled with struggle and failure. But I haven't let that stop me from trying to be the best baseball player I can be. I have been playing baseball since 4th grade, and my passion for the game has increased exponentially. I have grown as a player and as a person by playing for different teams, practicing every day, and learning about the ways the game is played with minds rather than bats and balls. At its heart, baseball is as close to Vermont as green trees and mountains. It's in our history, it's in our blood, and it's a game that reminds us we are all united. Baseball will be a part of my life forever, and it defines my journey and my values as a Vermonter.